Few figures in history conjure the same dread as Blackbeard, born Edward Teach. In the 17th century, Blackbeard terrorized the American colonies, his fearsome reputation spreading like wildfire. With his signature black beard and the infamous fuses he lit within it, he seemed less a man and more like a demon rising from the depths of the sea. To capture this drama, I will paint a broad silhouette of Blackbeard's ship against the golden light of the setting sun. Using a palette knife, I will be able to quickly shape the imposing form of the ship without focusing too much on intricate details. This gives the scene a scale of immediacy, evoking the legendary power of Blackbeard's ship, the Queen Anne's Revenge. He sailed the coast, pillaging and blockading ports. His ship was a floating fortress, armed with 40 cannons and a crew of ruthless men. They said he could take down any ship with just the threat of his presence alone. But every legend has its end, and Blackbeard's demise was as dramatic as the life he led. I'm focusing on the golden sky and shimmering reflections of the silver water. Using the edge of the palette knife, I drag the paint across the surface to create a broken, reflective quality. The silver tones contrast with the golden sky, hinting at the tension of Blackbeard's final days. In November 1718, the British Royal Navy, determined to stop his reign of terror, launched an assault on Blackbeard. Cornered off the coast of Ocracoke Island, North Carolina, Blackbeard's final battle unfolded in the glow of dawn. The British Lieutenant Robert Maynard led the attack. It was a fierce confrontation, as Blackbeard boarded Maynard's ship and engaged in a brutal hand-to-hand combat. As I am about to work on the ship's silhouette, the palette knife allows me to keep the composition loose and painterly. I will focus on the contrast between light and dark to capture the ship's shadowy form against the sun-drenched sky. The key here is to use bold strokes to convey the drama of the scene without overworking the details. Despite being shot 5 times and stabbed more than 20, Blackbeard fought on. His determination and ferocity unmatched. But even the fiercest pirate could not escape death forever. So, in the end, Blackbeard was killed, and Maynard ordered his head severed and hung from the bowsprit of the ship as a warning to other pirates. His body was thrown into the silver waters, never to be seen again. Or so it seems. I will be adding more texture to the water, using swift, jagged strokes with the palette knife to suggest the chaos of the battle and churning waves beneath the ships. The silver and darker tones will create a dynamic surface, reflecting the ominous atmosphere of the final fight. Blackbeard's headless body was said to have swum around Maynard's ship 3 times before sinking into the depths as a final act of defiance. To this day, whispers say his spirit haunts the waters of the Carolina coast, searching for the treasure he never had the chance to bury. At this stage, I'm building up various textures and colors across the painting, creating a tense, almost unworldly atmosphere that matches the tension of Blackbeard's story. As I finish, I'm refining the ship's form, using the knife to suggest the sails and rigging without getting bogged down in fine detail. Though his life ended in blood and betrayal, Blackbeard's legacy has only grown in the centuries since. His treasure remains lost, but his legend, like the silhouette of his ship against the horizon, still sails on. The painting remains bold and dynamic, much like the pirate's story, larger than life, full of mystery and steeped in danger.